Hoes.
It's like this strawberry kiwi stuff.
Anyway,
I'm not gonna lie to you.
what it do?
I'm sorry, y'all probably got your snacks. My skin feels like it's melting. You know when your leg falls asleep and you're trying to move it and it's just like electricity?
Y'all
Like,
excuse
that's
the background
like your
noise.
body right now. I never
But-
should have touched it. You know, I'm thinking like maybe I could get some extra energy.
I got Pananda Express. I got Pananda Express.
We gotta go.
Pananda Express. What I said. I got Pananda Express. Like I said.
Never again, bro. Never again. Bro, imagine if I was at the gym right now. Y'all said it's take pre-workout, then go to the gym?
I want to see. What I got to let me show y'all. This receipt got my items on it. And
Let's just get started.
we don't want that.
For those who are new, it's a series where every Sunday, December, I come together and we have a great time. We sit back and watch some scary videos taken by you guys via Twitter using the hashtag Scary Sunday.
Good thing you came with a napkin.
Scary Sunday, and leave the link to the scariest video that you know. And if your video gets picked, you get a shout out. So sit back, relax, grab some snacks. Go ahead and get you one of those Totino pizzas, some honey barbecue lays, and some apple juice. And with all that being said, first video.
I don't know why you think that. I don't mind sharing, but
Not sharing.
cause I don't have to.
What you mean?
Is you deaf, dumb, slow, or blind?
How inconsiderate you are of me.
We're celebrating your 100K
I'm not.
milestone.
Yes, cause y'all this food it ain't gonna share with me, and we the only two people in this house. Yeah, inconsiderate.
Just like those 2 times that you and mom went to the store and didn't get nobody nothing. Inconsiderate.
What are you talking about? The 2 times me and mom went to. Look at you trying to lie.
It's not a lie, boo. I remember.
When?
Go get you a plate or something. You ain't getting that much, but I don't mind sharing. Okay, y'all. I got orange chicken and I got lo mein and fried rice.
Animatronic suits and wearable costumes for performers. This method is both cost efficient and eliminates any
Okay, let's try the lo mein first.
break the immersion.
Right.
The wearable costumes will only be used when an animatronic is in repair.
Why do they gotta come towards the camera? What?
I want no menu. That's all yours.
Yeah, I didn't really want to share it.
Is that good, huh?
Oh.
Bro!
See all this time he got to run away and he took it to record.
My eyes is watering. What kind of cursed imagery? We got the music in the back. It's a sound grenade going off in my ear. Why is this dude crawling? I got too many questions.
Because his legs don't work. And when they finally look at you, now it sinks you. Stupid.
No, we good. I'm
The
good.
suit is made up of 3 layers. The first layer is a fabric costume that we normally see. The second layer is a fiberglass shell that forms the structure of the character.
Okay.
The third layer is an exoskeleton. This layer is the closest to your body when being worn. It will help support all the weight of the heavy components. And
You
is
will
responsible
never
for
catch
holding
down my
all
body.
stun locks.
Sure hope they don't go off and close you in there.
To attach to the animatronic. This ensures that the suit does not fall off while the animatronic is performing. However, these springs can be very dangerous if the suit is not prepped carefully. Now, let's begin the training.
I wish I could have some more piece of chicken.
Girl, no.
We shall start by winding up all the spring locks.
I don't use the force they gave you.
Insert the hand crank
Why, thank
into
you.
the lock sockets located behind the animatronic. There are 10 lock sockets in total. 2 on each limb, 1 on the back of the body, and 1 behind the head. Lastly, remove the exoskeleton from the animatronic. To put on the suit, begin by sliding into the exoskeleton. Be sure not to break.
Put that on. You really about to see all this mechanical gadgetry and be like, yeah, this seems safe. Let me slide my limbs up in here.
Up against the spring locks too much. Next, you'll need to reattach the fiberglass shell back on. Then, put on the fabric layer. Once applied properly, put on the gloves and feet. Lastly, you'll need to put on the head. But before you do, you'll...
Whoa! Who is that? Bro, I was dead looking at this mat and then my eyes said,
That's Chica.
On the head.
who is that?
You'll need to put the head into performer mode by winding up a small socket on the inside of the head to reveal the fake eyes. Perfect for children.
Yo, the low
and
man,
perfect for you to see.
I give it like an 8 out of 10.
In the event of a spring-lock
The
failure,
fried rice is 10 and the orange chicken is 10. But I never had
call for help.
Panda Express
Calm
before.
your breathing and have a partner.
So it was good
walk
for a
the
first
hand
time.
to lock the spring locks once
What do
more.
you rate it?
Then safely and gently remove the suit.
Bro. Who is putting that
I mean, I ain't have nothing little man.
on? You cannot pay
Fried
me
chicken
to
alright.
put that
It's not
on.
that good. I don't really think it's every 10. Probably like
How was I supposed to see that?
a 6 out of 10. Because I know I'm gonna eat it. But it's not that good. And orange chicken,
You mean the rice?
yeah. The
The
rice
rice-
is 6 out of 10.
Okay. Then the orange chicken is what?
An 8.
Look at him got blood on his mouth, bro. This is Curse. This is Curse. Mute your TV. I'm trying to die.
I'm saying.
Okay, we did it. All right.
Hey, do me a favor. Maybe somehow you can check inside those suits in the background.
Forte's hidden inside their empty heads. Freddy ripped apart with a smile. Body dancing in
I
the
don't
dark.
know what to say.
Chica and her wonderful song. Foxy meets the happy man. You are gifted, you found the fit. Golden friend?
Yeah.
Michael,
The orange chicken though.
there's something I want to show you. Before your brother died,
We stick to soon.
something else happened.
This is after.
Something was wrong with the suits.
You know, look dessert to that.
Watch.
In game, of course.
Oh my.
What you mean something wrong with the suits? Something been wrong with them suits.
Let me tell you a secret. The same thing happened to your father.
Oh, who's?
It killed him. But only for a while.
Yeah, we know that. I watch Game
He's
Theory.
still out there.
Excuse me.
Do you want to find him?
Excuse me.
No.
Oh.
I'll show you. I don't like that one. Fast Bears Frights. Bring the whole family. Don't worry about times, dates, or locations.
My job. I never had lo mein before, but it's pretty good. That's really finna wrap up this video. I just want to do something real quick. I'm actually kind of full. I'm not gonna lie.
But you will
That filled me up. It was good.
Then we
They gave me a fortune cookie. I'm not gonna tell y'all what to say. I'm not supposed to say what to
this
say.
video too while you're at it. I know how you feel, Mike. It's a lot of responsibility. But when this is done, we'll be free. Free
Oh,
from
this is
video.
good.
You'll be free too. It may not seem like it, but I believe your brother will forgive you.
Oh yeah, we're watching
I
Kung
ain't
Fu.
forgiving you too.
And y'all, he back on YouTube now. He came out with a manga. It's the whole thing.
Despite what you might think, you do deserve this happy ending. I've been working all this time to give you that opportunity.
12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 Louis 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids of milk and 7 swans, 6 geese a laying, 5